so I'm going to stop. You have to know when to stop. It's very important. You don't want to get too crazy, too overdone like this. Even this is very cool. It's just very heavy. And so that means your others that you connect it to for either your triptych or your quadriptych have to be almost just as heavy. And it sometimes turns out to be a big old mess. So I'm going to put that aside. And I'm going to then, let's see, maybe use this paint roller, dip and corner in of my ink. Yeah, that's okay. But let's see, I might like the car charger better. So I'm going to dip that squiggly part of the wire, and I'm going to roll that. That's fun. I'm going to put these aside because after I'm done with this one, I'm going to wash those. These are fun. This is just little pieces of cardboard. Dip an edge in, and you can drag it. You can make lines. Okay, that's fun. Put that aside. Throw this out. Throw your toothpick out. Maybe I'll do one more just to show you. Let's see, little piece of tape. Let's use toothbrush. I'm going to take a little bit of ink. I'm going to scrub it. That's fun. I think I like the string the best and the straw. What do you think? Put this aside to wash. Let's do one more. Let me show you the bamboo pen. Just put a little on the tip. And now I'm looking at this, and it looks like maybe it could connect somehow to that straw one. So I'm going to just make some lines. Okay? I'm going to put this aside to wash. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I'm thinking I want to use this. That's going to look good, right? So it could connect like this. So maybe I want to do one more straw. You will do 12 to 14 of these, remember. This I'm just doing a few to show you. Otherwise we'll be here all day with this video. But you're going to do 12 to 14. You need a lot more to choose from. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put my puddle on the very bottom here and blow this way. And maybe I want to blow this way. Anywhere where there is a puddle, you want to blow it out. Okay. Throw my straw away. I'm going to bring my tools over to the sink and I'm going to wash them. So let's pretend they're washed, right? I'm going to put them in the bins over by the sink, the designated bins for tools. I'm going to come back and these will be dry by that time. So let's see, maybe I want to use these. Yeah. See how that connects in some sort of fashion? So I like this for my triptych. So what I'm going to do is after it's dry, I'm actually going to take this, now I'm done, or semi-done, and I'm going to put this aside. Otherwise it will get knocked over. So I'll put that aside. And I want to just take a piece of large drawing paper. Doesn't matter if it's big, small, too big for these croquis. I want to just glue them down together. So I'm going to use rubber cement or a glue stick. And I'm going to glue these down to the paper so that they stay together. I'm going to take a little glue, not too much. And these aren't quite dry yet. Okay? I'm going to glue this down. Then I'm going to take my next one, which is not that dry yet, but you're going to wait till yours are dry. I'm going to take some glue, not too much. I'm going to glue it down together. Okay, I'm going to take my third, because I'm creating my triptych. I'm going to take rubber cement. I'm going to glue these down, overlapping the one before over the one I'm pasting down, just a little. Okay? Then what you can do is you can take your rubber cement and put it on the edges so that it stays down. Okay? So what you're probably going to want to do is put this in your portfolio so that it stays flat until the next time we meet. Okay, so say this is the next time we meet and you have your triptych. And let's see, this is kind of bothering me a little bit, this line right here, because it's not matching up so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another toothpick, because I used a toothpick on this, and I'm just going to connect it just a little. Okay, I'm going to connect that. Let's see, I'm going to connect this, and maybe I want to connect those marks right there. Okay, so that's done. I have my triptych done. Throw away your toothpick. I'm going to put my ink aside, and let's see, now I'm going to do my quadriptych. That's 4. So I really like the string I did, right? So let's see, these connect like that, and I'll have more string, but for lack of time I am just going to look through my examples that I have here and see what connects. So let's see, this is a string, and let me see if I can find something else that may